Vanakkam Makle, welcome back to our channel Javis in 2016. So today we are going to see match between Czech Republic versus Denmark. So welcome you all. So before going to video, I want to relay one thing. This video will be lengthy because I'm going to explain you all every possible stats in Denmark versus Czech Republic match. So don't skip the video, watch the video fully, so then only you can able to see the important points and also good points for making GL. So don't miss any points in this video. And before going to video, if you didn't join my Telegram channel, just join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel page. So you can search at Jarvis Official. So you will get my channel link and you can join my channel, and I will post all my final team over here. And also you can easily get my GL team also in my Telegram channel. And in your state, if Dream 11 is banned, you can play Sportazy, the very good application, an alternative application for Dream 11, which is very useful for your useful for the low investors, the persons who is having very less money like 100 200. Then then Sportazy is the correct application for you. You are at the correct application, because in Sportazy the investment money is like below 10 rupees only, 7 rupees, 10 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and winning will be somewhat decent. And they are launching 2 rupee contest with a rank 1 of 500 and 3 rupee contest with a rank 1 of 1000 rupees, so that you can easily win the money and you can easily use your bonus cash also. And Sportazy is giving 500 rupees cash bonus, so that you can use the cash bonus in 100% cash bonus contest, and also some contest you can use cash bonus amount also, and you can easily withdraw through Paytm. So there is no need to upload your bank account and PAN card details also. So easily you can withdraw to your Paytm account, and from Paytm you can transfer to your bank. So let's go to the video. So today's match between Czech Republic versus Denmark. So date and time 2nd July, and venue Baku, Azerbaijan, and telecast at Sony 10 and Sony Live. So current form of last 5 matches between 5 matches of both the teams. Look at the form Czech Republic and Denmark having. So Czech Republic win, and see the Denmark 2 losses in the row. And Denmark is pretty quite strong team compared to Czech Republic, but Czech Republic will give a tough fight. And see the recent matches of Czech Republic: win, loss, draw, win. So they have played against Netherlands and they have won against Netherlands, and they have played against England, they have lost with England, and Croatia they have drawn, and with Scotland they have won with 2 goals. And Denmark recent matches, they have won against with Wales, and they won against with Russia, and they lost against with Belgium and Finland. And see a head-to-head stat between both the teams. So almost it's like a Denmark game only, the game which is more good and more easy to play for GL, and you can easily win your money in GL by selecting some important players and also some important stat work based. So potential striker for both the team. So in Czech Republic, Patrick Schick will be the potential penalty taker, and also Denmark before it's also Erik Christensen, but now he's in injured, so in Erik place, Hojbjerg taking the penalty. And this is the predicted 11. So Czech Republic, they are playing with 4-1-4-1 combination. And look at Denmark's lineup, and this is the Denmark's lineup. They play 3-4-2-1 combination. So let's see team news of Czech Republic. So Jan Boril is back from suspension for Czech Republic and will hope to reclaim his place immediately. So Jan Boril will give a good defensive wall for Czech Republic. And Antonin Barak and Peter Stevic were surprise starters against the Netherlands, with Jakub Janko and Diamond Darida. So now sweating on their place in the 11. So today we expect Antonin Barak to play in this game. So let's see who will start today's game. And for Denmark news, Simon Kjær was doubting heading into the Wales game only, because he has some injury in second half. So Joachim Andersen is on standby, and Kasper Dolberg is surely guaranteed to keep his place on the Saturday after capping his first start of the tournament with a brace against Wales. So Kasper Dolberg he will be starting today, and Yusuf Poulsen wasn't even the squad to face Wales and surely still a doubt for this game. So let's see who will Poulsen will play for today's game or not. And match facts: Czech Republic have drawn 5 of their last 6 matches against Denmark in all competition. So செக் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 5 கேம் வின் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க டென்மார்க் கூட எல்லா காம்படிஷனும் சேர்த்து. அண்ட் ப்ரெடிக்ஷன் பாருங்கள். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் உட்காந்து நீங்கள் பொறுமையாக ரீட் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் என்னென்ன இப்போது நடக்குது, என்னென்ன மேட்ச் எப்படி போயிட்டுருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ அதிகமாக கோல் அடித்தவங்க, ஸோ ஹையஸ்ட் கோல் ஸ்கோரர் அண்ட் ஃபார் போத் த டீம் பேட்ரிக் ஷிக் 30 matches and goals 15, and Thomas Souček matches 39 and goals 7. Anton Barak 22 matches and 6 goals. In Denmark, Kasper Dolberg 28 matches 9 goals, Brathwaite 54 matches and 10 goals, and Højbjerg 45 matches and 4 goals. So these are the important point system and Dream 11 to noted. Average tackle, interception. So for Denmark, average tackles per given by Simon Kjær, Daniel Vos and Christensen. And for Czech Republic, if you see Czech Republic, the more tackle will come from Kofel, Holst and Masapust. And interception for both the team, Denmark and Czech Republic. For Denmark, they will Daniel Vos, Joachim Mahel is a very good important defender, and also Christian Andersen. So these two players will give more interception points. And from Czech Republic, already I said Jan Boril, good defender, and Andrei Seluska, Thomas Holst. And average passes per game. So in average passes per game, Emily Højbjerg, Andre Christensen and Joachim Mahel. So these players will give you more passing points. In Czech Republic, they will Vladimir Kofel, Seluska, Thomas Souček. These 3 players will give you more passing points and accurate passes which lead to the goal. So these are the key passes maker, and they will play a vital role in the match, and they are the match winners. They will play they will give a vital pass which will lead to a goal. So that is considered as a key passes. So Højbjerg, Damsgaard, Yussuf Poulsen, Anton Barak, Jakub Jankto, Vladimir Kofel. So these are the key passes player. And score prediction, match will be like 1-3 or 1-4 or 2-3, like this match will win. And everyone stay safe and wear mask in your while you're going outside. So be safe at your home. Let's see the important player section. So live at Sony 6, Sony 10.4, Sony 1, and look at the knockout stages. So Spain have gone through the semi-finals, and also Italy they have won, Spain they have won. So in 7th July this match will happen, and today's game Czech Republic versus Denmark we are seeing. Let's see who and all important player from both the team. I will tell the important players: Patrick Schick, Anton Barak, Thomas Holst, Thomas Souček, Kaderberg, Vladimir Kofel, Dolberg, Damsgaard, Brathwaite, Joachim Mahel, Højbjerg, Andre Christensen, Daniel Vos. So these are the players which I marked are important players from both the team. Point wise I am saying, and also these players will play good also. I have watched the game of the players in their club team and also national team, so I have known who will play good and who will give more passes. So how I will get to know by these players will play good? Because by watching live matches, so that gives me more information by seeing with my naked eye, and I'll get to know which player will give more pass and which player will give tackle, and which player will play good and who will give key assist and who will take penalty. And from first I'll see for Patrick Schick team. So let's go with Czech Republic. So in Czech Republic, more shots on target. Shots on target will be given by Patrick Schick, Anton Barak, and Thomas Souček. So these players will give you more shots on target. And from Denmark, Dolberg, Brathwaite, and Mikkel Damsgaard. So these 3 players will give you more shots on target. So shot on target will be given by these 3 players, and also from that screen these 3, Souček, Barak and Schick. And now see the captain vice captain combination. So before going to captain vice captain combination, I would like to show my dream 11 team. So I have made initial SL team for Denmark or Czech Republic. So I covered 2 strikers from both the team, good strikers, and also 2 important midfielders. So these 2 important midfielders I have covered, and also Damsgaard is a very good in form, and also Thomas Holtz recent match he scored goal, and these 2 defenders are very good for Czech Republic, so I have taken them. And these Andrew Christensen and Joachim Mahil, compulsory pick for Denmark, so I have taken them. And goalkeeper absolutely who else, Kasper Schmeichel will be the best goalkeeper for today's game. If you want to take Thomas Haslik, you can take Thomas Haslik also, because Denmark will give you more shot on target, so you can take Thomas Haslik also. So let's give for captain vice captain combination option. So Kasper captain, vice captain Schick, Schick captain, vice captain Kasper, Schick captain, vice captain Damsgaard, Thomas Soucek captain, vice captain Schick, Dolsberg captain, vice captain Soucek, Dolsberg captain, vice captain Thomas Holtz, Kasper Dolsberg captain, Martin Braithwaite vice captain, Braithwaite captain, vice captain Schick, Hochberg captain, vice captain Antoine Barak. So these are the captain vice captain combination for today's game. And in my opinion, I think today Lucas Masopust can have ability and option to score goal today, and from this side I think it will be either Hochberg or Damsgaard ready to score. Let's see who will score today. And my opinion, today Denmark will have a higher authority over the game, and they'll be the favorites of today's match. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. So I'll wind up the video today. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Wear mask.